party, and I'm going to go to the girls' bathroom. One, because I've never been in a new girls' bathroom before, so you're awfully silly. You ready for this? Dun-dun, 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 dun-dun. Oh, it says goals. Uh-oh. Wah, wah, wah. Wah. Ooh, cute. Hi, Elliot. Yes, man, she's hot. Look at her shoes. Potty. That's Elliot signing off. Another sweet video. Get in the girls' bathroom. Bye.